Today we will solve another program, that is to print Fibonacci number using recursion. Okay, so we will print the sixth Fibonacci number. Okay, function is already created. We need to put the implementation. If I is equals to 0, if I is equals to 1, return I. Okay, and then otherwise print. Otherwise just return n minus I minus 1 plus fib I minus 2. So this is our complete program. Now run this. We should get 8. Okay, yeah, yes. And for 7 we should get 30. Okay, so this is working perfectly fine.